They stand where shadows softly fall, in quiet rooms beyond the call. No crowds, no drums, no solemn sound, yet sacred echoes still surround.
Carved in sorrow, shaped in grace, time has not erased their face. Even still they seem to pray for hearts that pass but do not stay.
Waiting in silence, still and deep, guarding the tears that the faithful weep. Though the streets are empty, the story remains, written in wood, in love and in pain. They're never forgotten, never alone. Waiting in silence, carved into stone.
No candle flames, no midnight hymn, yet something stirs in halls grown dim. A mother's grief, a suffering son, a journey lived, forever done.
Though the procession's far away, their souls are here, they choose to stay, to whisper truth to those who see what sacrifice is meant to be. Waiting in silence, still as the night, holding the weight of sorrow and light. Though no bells are ringing, no voices call, their silent message speaks to all through every season. Their meaning is shown. Waiting in silence, never alone. And when the world forgets the cost of love once given, life once lost, they stand as more than art alone. They are the seeds that fate has sowed. Waiting in silence, patient and true, until the moment returns into view, when streets will fill and hearts will bend, and broken souls begin to mend. Till then they rest, yet deeply known. Waiting in silence, not just statues, but living stone.
A reminder of my 3 books for those who wish to learn Maltese. You can find them or on Amazon, or I can send them via email. In the description, you will find from where you can get them. Bye.